Hello, everyone. I'm Aisha, and you are tuned into the 716th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Our first story today highlights a growing concern that every consumer needs to be wary of: the trap of fake add on insurance. It has become a tradition to buy an add on cover with any insurance policy, whether it's for a new phone or a new home appliance. We often take it for granted that the paperwork handed over the counter is valid. However, a recent incident in New Delhi serves as a stark warning. A man had been paying regular monthly installments for an iPhone 17 Pro Max, which was unfortunately stolen. When he tried to claim the insurance he had purchased at the time of buying the phone, he was in for a rude shock. Despite having what appeared to be valid policy documents, the insurance company stated that no policy existed in his name. The customer is now estimated to have suffered a financial loss of over Rs 1.5 lakh, continuing to pay EMIs for a stolen phone while having paid for a non-existent policy. Emphasizing the critical need for vigilance, Amarnath Saxena, Chief Technical Officer of Bajaj General Insurance, remarked, "It's an odd thing to pay for a defense that never exists. In this case, it was too late to avoid damage when the truth came out. A simple verification at the outset, i.e., calling the insurance company or checking the policy information separately, could have raised doubts soon. This incident is a wake-up call to always verify your policy on the insurer's official website or app within 24 to 48 hours of purchase, regardless of how authentic the printed papers look." Moving on to our next story, we look at a significant shift in India's insurance landscape driven by innovation. The sector is undergoing a transformation as startups step in to tackle core challenges that have long plagued the industry. These insurtech companies are redefining how insurance is distributed, claimed, and experienced. By leveraging technology, they are addressing pain points such as slow claim settlement times and a lack of transparency. This shift isn't just about digitization, it's about creating customer-centric solutions that make financial protection more accessible and efficient. As these startups tackle fundamental issues, traditional players are also being pushed to innovate, resulting in a more dynamic and robust insurance ecosystem for Indian consumers. Our third story focuses on a complex dilemma facing the healthcare sector: the impossible trinity. This concept explores the delicate balancing act between three key stakeholders: the insurer, the hospital, and the customer. With medical inflation soaring, hospital bills are skyrocketing, creating tension in which it is increasingly difficult to satisfy all three parties simultaneously. Insurers are trying to manage costs, hospitals need to maintain revenue margins, and customers naturally want the best coverage at the lowest premium. Navigating this impossible trinity is the industry's current challenge, as finding a middle ground is essential to ensuring that policyholders continue to receive the care they need without rendering health insurance unaffordable or unsustainable. Our final story spotlights a positive development for the agricultural sector, specifically for apple growers in Jammu and Kashmir. India has launched a specialized weather-based insurance product designed to safeguard these farmers against the vagaries of nature. Apple cultivation is highly sensitive to weather conditions such as hailstorms, excessive rain, and temperature fluctuations, which can destroy entire harvests. This new insurance initiative aims to provide a safety net, ensuring that farmers are compensated for losses from adverse weather. By securing the livelihoods of these growers, the scheme not only promotes stability in the region, but also encourages the adoption of modern farming techniques without the paralyzing fear of financial ruin from the weather. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these in-depth updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, We'll continue to bring you more such stories from the world of insurance. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.